JT, quarterback, number 4, BC's Rodney High School. Go Riders.
Deion Austin, middle linebacker, running back, number 7, BC's Rodney High School. Go Riders.
Todd Bowe, running back, number 1, BC's Rodney High School. Riders Country, let's ride.
Joe, O-line, number 71, you're in Rider Country.
I'm really looking forward to the homecoming parade. I think it's so awesome to be able to see like all the faces of our community from the elementary to the high schools and the middle schools. It's so awesome to celebrate kind of like all the clubs and like what's going on in our community with our community. And it's just a fun time. I love playing music and walking down, town road and stuff. It's super awesome. We have a good time.
I'm excited to see the entire community come together and support us all on this field. Thank you all for coming out and supporting, and I can't wait to see you all.
So the one thing I'm most excited for is everyone showing out in the stands and everyone having a good time. And let's go Big Blue.
Hey everyone, I'm super excited for game day. I hope you are too, so stack great days and go Riders.
Hey y'all, I'm so excited to see the mini Riders today. So let's show that Rider pride.
We're so excited to bring our school spirit to the game on Friday, and we hope you bring yours too. Go Riders!
Most looking forward to just the night itself, all the pageantry, everything that goes into it. The thing I think these guys support the most and we enjoy the most is just the support from the community. So everybody out there, make sure you guys pack Rider Stadium, get here Friday night, enjoy the parade, take in all the festivities at halftime, get ready to watch some good football. Can't wait to see you guys out there. Go Riders.
Today's homecoming. Let's pack these stands. Let's show our Rider pride. Let's make it loud here. Homecoming today. Come out. Let's have fun. Win this game. Cheerleading. Let's go. We got the best student section in the state. Let's make it loud in the stands. Let's go Riders. Hey, let's put on good. Let's put on gold. Show it to this homecoming today. Let's go.